Are you wondering if the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4, so the regular version also gets these voice controls? So can we simply ask our earphones to, for example, increase or decrease the volume or do something for us? So I have some good and also bad news. First, these, for example, here are the Pro versions which actually have all of these features. So for example, if we go in the settings, you can see these, for example, have these super cool voice commands, and they're absolutely great. In my opinion, they actually work much better than the touch controls on them. But when it comes to the regular 4 versions, so the non-pro versions, they actually do not receive these voice commands options, so you actually can't control them as easily. However, when it comes to good news, the regular 4 still have the assistant control, so you can simply ask your assistant to do the same stuff for you. So for example, if you go in the voice controls, you can actually still use a Google Assistant through them, or also the Bixby, obviously. So you simply set it up here, or so when you actually wear them, simply say, "Hi Bixby," and yeah, let's increase the volume. Okay, so it launched for me. Or again, like, "Hey Google," and to also increase or decrease the volume for you. So those features still work. So, but the regular ones that actually do not rely on the assistant aren't included in the base ones, but only these pros. Good luck.